Today we're going to make banana porridge. So you're going to need green bananas, water, vanilla, sugar, and nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. After you peel the banana, you can do two things. You can grate it if you don't have a blender, or you can blend it. But today we're gonna blend it. And we're gonna use some coconut milk, or you can use condensed milk or cow's milk, any milk. Let's take some oil and pour a little, just a little in your hands. Just pour some oil. Because this is starch and staining, the oil prevents the banana stain from getting on your fingers. So you just cut here and peel right alongside that, and this. So we're using 3 bananas. So that's that. If you was using grater, you would just grate it. Now, so once that's completed, you just cut the bananas up in this, in your blender. Add the water. Add 4 cups of add 3 add it to the pot. Put the stove on low. Then add it to the pot. Put your stove on low. Low. I put the stove on low, almost off. You kind of cover it. Now, to 3 cups of blended banana juice, we're gonna use 1 cup of coconut milk. If you wasn't using coconut milk, you would use 4 cups of water, and then the condensed milk. So we're gonna add the sugar to this and the vanilla. So add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Add 1 cup of sugar. Add the nutmeg. like a pinch or half a pinch of salt or quarter teaspoon. Now stir this in. Can't locate my spoon, but this is just as good. I'm gonna serve. You can use this scoop to serve it. Just stir this in, stir this in. Oops, I made a mess. Stir this in. Now after 15 minutes, this is what this looks like. This one. Alright. So you just want to let it cover it and let it break down for at least 20-30 minutes. I put the stove on low, almost off. You kind of cover it and leave it open a little bit. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like after 20 minutes. See? After 20 minutes. Just cover it. Just to note, I use half pound of green bananas. So with that, these are small bananas, so it's 3 of them I use. So if you have a large banana, you may end up using 2. So just for a guide, I use half pound to this proportion porridge that I'm making. Cover the pot entirely, because you're gonna keep the stove on low. You can open it a little bit, like that much. Okay, I want you to see. So it's been 27 minutes and you can smell it after 25 minutes. This is how creamy you want to get it. You want to get it really creamy. So this look good. So this look really good. So you want to get it this creamy. With boiling the bananas alone, you can keep the pot covered, but when we add the milk, we're gonna have to leave it slightly open. So now it's been 30 minutes. Now we're gonna add the milk and the sugar mix. And stir it in. Cover it and leave it. Cover it slightly and leave it. So just to recap, so we use 3 cups of water and to blend 3 bananas, half pound of bananas. Peel it first, green bananas, and then if you were using, and we use coconut milk, if you weren't using coconut milk, you would use 4 cups of water to blend the bananas. And then it took 30 minutes to boil the banana. It took 30 minutes to boil the bananas, and then you're going to add the milk and cover it slightly and allow that to boil. I'll tell you the time when it's finished. Okay, after we added the milk, it's been 30 minutes and this is what it looked like. So it's getting thicker a little. See? I'm not going to add any kind of thickening flour or anything like that. I'm just going to let it boil. I turn the stove on low, like on low, and just stir it in. Alright, just cover it. Oh, it's been 25 minutes since I put the milk in, and that's what it looks like. We're going to let it boil for about 40 minutes on low. This is such a special porridge that the flavor won't start building until the end. It's at the end that you'll actually get that banana porridge flavor. So you gotta let this thing cook properly. So it's been exactly 30 minutes, and the smell is building. And this is what it looks like. So it's thickening. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now, is turn the stove on very low and cover it and put a timer for 10 minutes. And just allow it to break down. See, because when I'm cooking porridge, I don't like to hurry, so I take my time when I'm cooking porridge, because porridge is a very special thing, you know, so you gotta cook it with you gotta take your time and cook it. Now those 5-minute porridge that's in the supermarket, no, this is homemade. Now after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. So that's it. Just gonna let it stay for 5 more minutes. With 15 minutes on very low, turn your stove off. And this is what it looks like. So you just cover it until you're ready to serve. While it cools, it will get thicker. Banana porridge. Things smell nice. Things smell really nice. The irony, the green plate. Banana porridge. Banana porridge. I'm gonna take a taste. It's really nice. The coconut milk give it a real nice taste. So that's banana porridge. That was good.